Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rate a seller on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. So now, after you purchase something from or you buy something from a seller on marketplace, all you need to do to rate him is to go to the inbox or the messages between you and the seller, and then you can be able to rate your seller. So basically, I'm just going to click on message, and here you can find the options concerning our products or the product that you want to buy. And here you can find rate seller, or you can go just to more option and you will find rate seller instead, as well as you can find report seller. So basically all you need to do is to purchase something from a seller, and then you will go to the inbox between the messages between you and the seller, and here you will find rate seller, and then you can give him a rating on Facebook Marketplace. So this is how it is. Thank you for watching and see you next time.